Welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you how you can recreate this video in After Effects. Okay, let's start. Drag your footage into your After Effects composition and select an in and out point of your shot. Delete the rest of the clip. The first thing we want to do is to stabilize the shot as good as possible. For that, go to the tracker panel and select Stabilize Motion. Search for an area in your image with high contrast. In my case, I choose this knob here. Now go to Options and select in this drop-down menu Stop Tracking if confidence is below 95%. Hit OK and click on Analyze Forward. If the software stops, readjust your tracking point and hit Analyze Forward again until the end of the clip. When it's finished, you'll see black bars at the edge of the frame. Scale up the clip and reposition it so that your subject is in the middle of the frame the whole time. Now pre-compose the clip and select Move All Attributes into the new composition. In the next step, we want to get rid of the text on the road sign. To do that, go to the tracker panel again, but this time click on Track Camera. And while After Effects is analyzing the clip, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of these tutorials, and have a look at my Instagram channel where I share short form tutorials several times a week. Okay, back to the tutorial. When the tracking is finished, you'll see a lot of tracking points in your image. Hover over them and then make a right click and select Create Solid and Camera. Now scale up the solid until the full road sign is covered. Pre-compose it, but this time select Leave All Attributes and Main Comp. Now make it invisible and create a solid again. Click on Color and select the color of the road sign with the eyedropper. Copy the solid, go into the other solid composition and paste your blue solid. Scale it up until it fills the whole frame. Now go back into your Main Comp and create a mask around the road sign. Adjust it so that it covers only the text. Go to Mask and increase the mask feather to around 45. Now that we have eliminated the original text on the road sign, we want to add our own. To do this, go back to the 3D camera tracker and hover over the tracking points. This time, select Create Text. This will create a 3D text. Adjust the position on the Z-axis so that it is as near to the sign as possible. Change the text to whatever you like and adjust the orientation, position, and scale of the text. To animate the text, open the layer of the text and click on Animate and then Character Offset. Increase the value of the character offset and create a keyframe at the first frame of your composition. Go to the last frame and increase the value even more. Open the range selector and create a keyframe at Start. Go a few seconds forward and increase the range selector all the way to 100%. To spice it up in the beginning, we will now add a speed ramp. Pre-compose all shots and go to Time and enable time remapping. Create a keyframe where you want the speed ramp to end and one on the last frame of the composition. Now pull both keyframes almost all the way to the first keyframe. Go to the graph editor and make the second keyframe an easy ease keyframe. And now the only thing you have left to do is to export the video, and it should look like this.
I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All that